With its safety, wonderful architecture, long history, vibrance, Beijing is one of my favorite cities in the world. A visit to this beautiful city is not complete without eating one of its signature dishes, Peking Duck. A dish with a long history stretching back to the imperial era of China. Back in the day, only the emperors and empresses can eat this lavishly prepared dish. But nowadays, we can enjoy it at one of the many restaurants in Beijing. Restaurants that still continue the traditional way of preparing it. This is how you eat Peking duck.
Mainit. Yeah.
要牌子压着的本来建议直接蘸这个蜜汁酱一下，3年的，可以直接吃的。
Yan yung cake. Pancake. May turong may paano ka man. Hindi ako. Sure to, okay na? Sunod pa kayo. Ito pa rin lang. Yung buto ng duck, sabi niya, lulutuin daw nila for us.
Paano magluto? Ano nila?
Deep fry. Hindi healthy. Ay, pwede ba? Gusto ko kasama ko. Go sa siya. Miyakay?
Yes.
May additional ba yan?
This free.
Hindi, wala ko. Pala. Sarap.
You make this dog.
Okay. Tapos, this is, I know.
Okay.
This is.
Kasi.
Tapos ito na sauce. Yung pipino. Bigyan mo ito. Tapos
May mga
yun na lang laman.